My name is Arina Rivo. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how I do an Italian bind-off in the round. It's a perfect match to the Italian cast-on. I've included a tip on how to avoid leaning stitches, and I'll show how I start and finish this bind-off so it's completely jogless. To make it easier to follow, I'll keep the stitches on the needle until they're done. You will need a tapestry needle and a fine marker, like this one. If you don't have such a marker, you can make a simple loop like this one, using any fine thread. I leave a yarn tail of about 4 times the length of the round and thread it on a tapestry needle. Each stitch is always worked twice. Just look at the stitches in the row below and follow the way the yarn goes. Knit stitches are worked the first time through the back or purlwise, and the second time through the front or knitwise. Purl stitches are worked the first time through the front or knitwise, and the second time through the back or purlwise. Place the marker around the first knit stitch. This will help to find it at the end. Yarn behind the work. Tighten the last purl stitch to avoid it becoming baggy. From the back, go between the first knit stitch and next purl stitch. Pull the yarn to the front. Go knitwise through the purl stitch. Now I will be binding off pairs of stitches. 2 knit stitches, then 2 purl stitches, 2 knit stitches, 2 purl stitches, and so on. Yarn in front, 2 knit stitches, knitwise the first knit stitch, take off the needle, purlwise second knit stitch, pull the yarn through. Two purl stitches, purlwise first purl stitch, take off the needle. From the back, go between the knit stitch and next purl stitch. Pull the yarn through to the front. Knit twice, second purl stitch. Again, yarn in front, 2 knit stitches, knit twice, first knit stitch, take off the needle, purlwise second knit stitch, pull the yarn through. Two purl stitches, purlwise first purl stitch, take off the needle, from the back go between the knit stitch and next purl stitch, pull the yarn through to the front. Knit twice, second purl stitch. Yarn in front, 2 knit stitches, knit twice, first knit stitch, take off the needle, purlwise second knit stitch, pull the yarn through. Two purl stitches, purlwise first purl stitch, take off the needle, from the back go between the knit stitch and next purl stitch, pull the yarn through to the front, knit twice, second purl stitch. One more time, 2 knit stitches, knit twice, first knit stitch, take off the needle, purlwise second knit stitch, pull the yarn through, two purl stitches, purlwise first purl stitch, take off the needle, from the back go between the knit stitch and next purl stitch, pull the yarn through to the front, knit twice, second purl stitch. Now I'll show what you can do if the stitches tend to lean to the side. I'm going to work these 2 purl stitches. Purl stitch, purlwise, take off the needle, go between 2 stitches to the front, and instead of tightening here, I leave a small loop. Then go knit twice into the next purl stitch. Take this knit stitch off the needle and adjust the loop to 1 o'clock. Then tighten. 2 knit stitches, knitwise, purlwise, one more time, 2 purl stitches, first purl stitch purlwise, take off the needle, go between the stitches, pull the yarn out to the front, leaving a small loop. Then go knitwise into the next purl stitch, take the knit stitch off the needle and adjust the loop to 1 o'clock. This helps to keep the stitch upright. So this little loop helps to keep the stitch upright. Then 2 knit stitches, knitwise and purlwise. Here I have 3 stitches left, 2 last purl stitches, and 1 last knit stitch in between. Let's do the purl stitches first. Purlwise. The first purl stitch, take it off, go between 2 stitches to the front, pull the yarn through, leave a small loop, knitwise into the last purl stitch, take the knit stitch off the needle, adjust the loop to 1 o'clock, tighten to keep it up, and now I bind off the last knit stitch with the first knit stitch. I lift up the yellow marker to identify the first knit stitch of the round. Then go through the front or knitwise into the last knit stitch and purlwise. Into the first knit stitch of the round and pull the yarn through. Now I can remove the marker. This is the last purl stitch. I work it purlwise, remove the needle. On the wrong side, purl stitches look like knit stitches. Go from right to left behind both legs of the first purl stitch. Pull the yarn through. And that's it. It's finished. The stitches look straight and the bind off is completely jogless. I hope this was helpful. Happy knitting, and I'll see you next time.